If your prints suffer from stringing, weak layers, blobs, poor overhangs, or ugly surfaces, the problem might not be your printer. It might simply be your temperature. Many makers use the temperature recommended on the filament spool and never change it. But the truth is that every printer, hot end, and filament brand behaves differently. In this video, we'll learn how to tune printing temperature for different materials and how to find the sweet spot for the best print quality. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's get started. Why temperature matters. Your nozzle temperature affects nearly everything: layer adhesion, surface quality, stringing, overhang performance, bridging, print strength, print speed. Too hot and the filament becomes overly fluid. Too cold and layers won't bond properly. The goal is finding the lowest temperature that still provides strong layer adhesion and reliable extrusion. PLA temperature tuning. PLA is the easiest material to tune. Typical range: 190 degrees to 220 degrees Celsius. Common symptoms: too cold, poor layer bonding, under extrusion, rough surfaces, weak parts. Too hot: stringing, blobs, sagging overhangs, loss of detail. Recommended starting point: 205 degrees Celsius. Many PLA brands print best between 200 and 210 degrees Celsius. PETG temperature tuning. PETG requires higher temperatures than PLA. Typical range: 220 to 250 degrees Celsius. Common symptoms: too cold, weak layer adhesion, matte appearance, poor strength. Too hot, excessive stringing, surface blobs, oozing. Recommended starting point: 240 degrees Celsius. PETG often benefits from slightly higher temperatures for maximum strength. ABS temperature tuning. ABS requires both higher temperatures and better environmental control. Typical range: 230 to 260 degrees Celsius. Common symptoms: too cold, weak layers, cracking, delamination. Too hot, excessive oozing, poor surface finish, dimensional inaccuracies. Recommended starting point: 245 degrees Celsius. For ABS, maintaining a warm enclosure is often as important as nozzle temperature. TPU temperature tuning. Flexible materials behave differently. Typical range: 210 to 240 degrees Celsius. Common symptoms: too cold, extruder skipping, inconsistent extrusion. Too hot, severe stringing, poor detail. Recommended starting point: 225 degrees Celsius. Reducing print speed often improves TPU performance more than increasing temperature. Nylon temperature tuning. Nylon is an engineering-grade material. Typical range: 240 to 260 degrees Celsius. Common symptoms: too cold, weak layer bonding, reduced strength. Too hot, excessive oozing, surface defects. Recommended starting point: 255 degrees Celsius. Dry filament is absolutely critical for successful nylon printing. What is a temperature tower? A temperature tower is one of the most useful calibration prints. The model is printed at different temperatures throughout its height. Each section reveals how the filament behaves at a specific temperature. A temperature tower helps evaluate stringing, overhangs, surface finish, layer bonding, bridging. Instead of guessing, you're comparing actual results. How to read a temperature tower. Look for stringing. Less stringing usually means better tuning. Overhang quality. Sharper overhangs indicate optimal temperature. Surface finish. The best section often has smooth, consistent layers. Layer adhesion. Try breaking test sections if possible. The strongest section is often not the coolest one. Why manufacturer temperatures differ? Not all filaments are created equal. Different manufacturers use different additives, different pigments, different polymer blends. One PLA may print perfectly at 200 degrees Celsius. Another may require 215 degrees Celsius. Always treat spool recommendations as a starting point, not a final answer. Temperature versus speed. Higher speed prints usually require higher temperatures. Why? The filament spends less time inside the hot end. For example, PLA at 50 millimeters per second may print perfectly at 200 degrees Celsius. PLA at 150 millimeters per second may require 215 degrees Celsius or higher. As speed increases, temperature requirements often increase too. Common temperature mistakes. Using someone else's settings. Every printer behaves differently. Changing too many settings. Adjust temperature before changing multiple settings at once. Ignoring cooling. Part cooling can dramatically affect results. Skipping calibration. A 20-minute temperature tower can save hours of troubleshooting. Quick starting temperatures. PLA, 200 to 210 degrees Celsius. PETG, 235 to 245 degrees Celsius. ABS, 240 to 250 degrees Celsius. TPU, 220 to 230 degrees Celsius. Nylon, 250 to 260 degrees Celsius. These ranges provide excellent starting points for most brands. Temperature tuning is one of the fastest ways to improve print quality. A few degrees can make the difference between weak and strong parts, stringy and clean prints, failed and successful projects. Use temperature towers, make small adjustments, and let the results guide your settings. Once you find the sweet spot for a filament, save the profile and enjoy more reliable prints. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab. Thanks for watching and happy printing!